I am here to break the myth that laughter is associated only with fun and entertainment. Rather, I will prove that it is in the category of necessary activities with myriads of health benefits, especially in the current situation of COVID-19 pandemic, to keep physically and mentally healthy and to maintain positive approach towards the current situation. Laughter yoga is of utmost importance to practice because it gives us four-dimensional health. First is physical, we do it with form of some exercise, then mental, and then spiritual, and then social. You will say physical, mental and social benefits we understand, but what is spiritual benefit? क्योंकि हंसने हंसाने वाला व्यक्ति अंतर मन से जुड़ता चला जाता है, उसके विचारों में पॉजिटिविटी आती चली जाती है. And that is the reason inclusion of laughter yoga in daily routine is being recommended by doctors as well for the sake of sound mental and physical health. But I'm really surprised when I see in the happiness quotient list India's number at 141. It's really shocking to see that. It is so because the youth today links happiness to the latest gadgets, luxuries, and costly gyms. But the happiness and joy thus derived is short lived. And when it is short lived, they get stress. So when you take any media, it is full of all negative news, rape, murders, dacoity, and topmost is suicides. All these are mental illnesses, whereas the continued practice of laughter yoga will result in a significant decrease in suicidal tendencies, and one becomes mentally and spiritually stronger with enhanced power to concentrate without the pills and their side effects. When in stress, the body releases adrenaline and other harmful chemicals, whereas our body is not used to be or is not meant to be under the constant bombardment of these chemicals. They become toxins if they are not cleared out of the body, and the result is anxiety, depression that may lead to addiction. Whereas laughter yoga regulates all the imbalances in chemicals in the brain to make you stress free. When you laugh, life enters you. When you laugh, life enters you, you become more active, energetic, and positive. You become more energetic and positive. Dr. Madan Kataria, the pioneer of laughter therapy in the world, has well said that when you laugh, you change. And when you change, the whole world changes for you. आपके लिए पूरी कायनात बदल जाती है. Everything starts looking so beautiful and beaming with joy. Because in laughter yoga, this is very important point, because in laughter yoga, we say yes to life, which means not only to the happy times, yes, not only to the happy times, but yes also to setbacks, surprises, and personal tragedies which are very much part of the life. Laughter yoga works as shock absorber in these ups and downs of life. बेंजामिन फ्रैंकलिन की एक उक्ति है, मुसीबत ने दरवाज़ा तो खटखटाया, मुसीबत ने दरवाज़ा तो खटखटाया, लेकिन हंसी सुनकर वापस चली गई. That is the power of laughter. And I remember one point told by Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji. He has well said that when everything is going smooth, everyone can laugh. But in tough times, if we can laugh, that is our growth, that is our development. Because tough times do not last, but tough laughetarians do last. Tough laughetarians do last. Coming to my last point, everyone sends their vehicle for servicing. But our body, which constantly works 24/7 for us, have we done the servicing? So come and join laughter yoga and do a little bit of servicing every day for your body and mind, so that your inner energies get activated. It's never too late. The time to be happy is now. The place to be happy is here. And the way to be happy is doing laughter yoga. I will say a few lines on this. Life is hard. Life is hard. Make it softer. Life is hard. Make it softer. The key to reach our aim is laughter, laughter, and laughter. The body is great. The body is great and needs extra care. add a smile and a laugh. I said add a smile and a laugh. Smile means simple solutions for multiple problems in laughter exercises. That is the meaning of smile. So add a smile and a laugh. Treat laughter as your better half. Treat laughter as your better half. The ultimate mantra is laughter, laughter, and laughter. So love it, live it, and enjoy it. At the end, I would like to do 2 exercises with you, which everyone should do with me. तो आपको पूरा इसके बारे में इंसाइट्स और पता लगेंगे. हम 5 ठहाके लगाएंगे, जोर से हाथ ऊपर करके ठहाके लगाएंगे. फर्स्ट लाफ फॉर द फिट इंडिया मूवमेंट. Second laugh for the organizers, Mentorex. Third laugh for the wonderful audience today. Fourth laugh for all the wonderful speakers, including me, because I love myself, as told by Vishalji. And fifth one is wishing everyone good health and happiness. Thank you very much. And now one more exercise is I'll do with you is we all are good people and happy people and healthy people. So whatever I do, please follow me. Raise your hands in front of you. Me good. हम अच्छे हैं. आप अच्छे हैं. हम सब अच्छे हैं. Second one, हम खुश हैं. आप खुश हैं. हम सब खुश हैं. जब हम अच्छे हैं, खुश हैं, तो हेल्दी तो हो ही गए. सो हम हेल्दी हैं, हम स्वस्थ हैं, आप स्वस्थ हैं, एंड वी ऑल आर हेल्दी. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ये वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ये लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, अभी विशाल जी ने बताया अपने आप से प्यार करिए. अपने आप से प्यार करने का एक सिंपल तरीका है, हम कमियों को थोड़ा देखें, अच्छाइयों को ज़्यादा देखें. तो मैं कहूँगी हम में कमियां हैं इतनी, आप कहिएगा इतनी, थोड़ी सी हैं. अच्छाइयाँ हैं इतनी. सो हम में कमियां हैं इतनी, हम में अच्छाइयाँ हैं इतनी. वंस अगेन, हम में कमियां हैं इतनी, हम में अच्छाइयाँ हैं इतनी.